Long ago in the Book of Enoch, a vision is described. In this vision, Enoch is taken up into the heavens. There he sees a being unlike any other angel. This angel is not like the rest, it is strange and mysterious. Its entire body is covered with eyes. There are eyes on its back, eyes on its hands, and even eyes under its wings. Hundreds of eyes, all open, glowing and shining. This angel never sleeps. Day and night, its eyes remain open. It watches everything in heaven and on earth. The angel never speaks. It remains silent, but with its gaze, it looks deep into every soul. Through its eyes, it knows every secret hidden within. In the Book of Enoch, it is called the living gaze of God, because nothing is hidden from its sight. And on the day of judgment, this angel will reveal everything it has seen. Every secret, every hidden action, every truth, everything will be brought into the light through its countless eyes.
Thank you for watching my video. I will be back with my new video. Follow me, you don't miss it, my new video. Thank you. Bye.